Hilong-hilo ka na ba? Alin ba ang dapat na unahin? Na-overwhelm ka na ba sa dami ng systems na kailangan mong i-implement para ma-scale ang business mo properly? Napakagandang tanong sa isip mo. HR system ba? Inventory system? CRM? Accounting software? Paano ko to gagawin lahat? Naku anak, ganyan din ako noon. Hindi ko malaman which I should do first. But let me tell you about Stephanie, who owns a cleaning services business. Nung ready na siyang mag-expand, napakadaming systems ang naging problema niya. She needed payroll tracking for her 14 employees, schedule management system, client database, invoicing software, and supply inventory tracker. Feeling niya, talo pa niya ang Fortune 500 company sa dami ng kailangan gawin. And instead na mag-start, nag-procrastinate siya for months, overwhelmed sa lahat ng options. When we talked during our coaching session, sabi ko sa kanya, Stephanie, hindi mo kailangang implement lahat ng sabay-sabay. So, eto yung ginawa niya. First, she identified her biggest pain point, scheduling conflicts and payroll errors. Tapos, she started with just one simple system, a shared Google Calendar for scheduling plus basic Excel template for payroll. Next, after mastering that for 2 months, she added a simple CRM using Google Sheets to track client information. Tapos dahan-dahan, one system at a time. Ang resulta, in 6 months, she had all her core systems running smoothly without feeling overwhelmed. Her revenue increased by 40% because she could take on more clients efficiently. Kaya anak, the lesson is this. Start with your biggest problem first. Don't try to solve everything at once. Sasakit talaga ang ulo mo if you do that. Master one system, then add the next. Remember, progress beats perfection every time. Systems should make your life easier, hindi complicated. Kaya dapat, let's be business-minded Pinoy.